guys, it's Tom, and while I'm out in the field here today, we are putting our TX31 mini round baler with net wrap to the test. And I wanted to kind of mention a few things. That we started mowing this field with this Ibex TM67 drum mower. It's got a 67-inch cut, works really well with about a 40-horse tractor, up to about 50 horse or so, maybe a little bit even bigger, category 1. But we mowed the field with this mower right here. We also tedded and raked the field with this Ibex TS100 belt rake and tedder combo. So not only did we ted and spread, but we also raked into windrows. It's got the windrow stop that's you can manipulate the size of windrow to create the size windrow that you need for that specific baler that you're going to be using. And why this is so important and why I wanted to kind of mention it to you guys today was because the equivalent size tractor that we used with these two implements can create a bale just about as big as this bale here, or a larger square baler. And this implement right here can make the windrows for an appropriate size to create bales this big, but we can also manipulate the windrow down to the size that our mini round bales that we're doing today. So we're using the TYM T394, just shy of a 40-horse tractor, to bale and work with these two implements along with our mini round baler. And we're producing mini round bales with the same rake and tedder. We raked and tedded from the windrow that this drum mower used, and I just thought that was a good kind of thing for you guys to know and be able to see that there is a wide range of things that you can do with our equipment, from small scale haymaking upwards to medium sized or even larger kind of hay operations. To a certain point, you wouldn't want to use the mini round baler if you have 20, 30 plus acres at a time, but if you had, let's say, 50 acres and you wanted to do small 10-acre paddocks at a time, or 5-acre plots at a time, it's a fantastic tool to use along with these two implements. They can both be fit into some small areas that larger pieces of equipment will never be able to try to fit into or have a hard time doing. And it's something that I just thought I would share with you guys while we're out here in the field. It's a very unique and very awesome thing to say that you can use the same equipment with multiple size balers. If you've got them on your property, you can use both of them. So there might be a time and place for each one, but I thought that I would at least mention that. And hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channels. Check out our website and our Facebook page, our discussion forums. Let us know what you guys want to see in next videos, and hopefully you're enjoying this one and enjoying more to come. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.